Semiconductor Packaging. John D. Thomas, Alex Ruth. Book 4, Section 1, Chapter 3, Topic 6, Part 2. Mitigation Strategies for Warpage A. Material selection. Choosing materials with compatible CTEs and mechanical properties helps minimize warpage in semiconductor packages. Ductile materials with higher compliance and thermal stability exhibit reduced susceptibility to warpage compared to brittle materials. B. Process optimization. Optimizing manufacturing processes, such as solder reflow, encapsulation, and curing, helps control temperature gradients, minimize thermal stress, and reduce warpage in semiconductor packages. Proper process control, equipment calibration, and thermal management are essential for mitigating warpage issues. C. Design considerations. Designing packages with balanced material distributions, symmetrical layouts, and stress relief features helps mitigate warpage-induced mechanical stresses and strain concentrations. Incorporating compliant interconnects, stress relief patterns, and reinforcement structures enhances package robustness and stability. D. Thermal management. Implementing effective thermal management solutions, such as heat sinks, thermal vias, and underfill materials, helps dissipate heat and reduce temperature differentials, minimizing thermal expansion and warpage in semiconductor packages. Proper thermal design ensures uniform heat distribution and enhances package reliability. Conclusion: warpage is a critical concern in semiconductor packaging that can lead to mechanical stress, reliability issues, and performance degradation of package devices. Understanding the causes, implications, measurement methods, and mitigation strategies of warpage is essential for designing robust and reliable semiconductor packages. By selecting compatible materials, optimizing manufacturing processes, incorporating stress relief features, and implementing effective thermal management solutions, semiconductor manufacturers can mitigate warpage issues, enhance package reliability, and ensure the long-term performance of electronic devices in diverse operating environments. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.